Hey everyone and welcome. If you've ever wondered how to build a professional-looking actual versus budget dashboard in Power BI from scratch, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to assemble all the pieces for a comprehensive dashboard, but you'll also feel confident tweaking the look and feel to make your work shine. So let's jump straight in. First things first, let's set the stage by adding a theme or background to your Power BI report. Think of this like painting the walls before you start decorating a room. It sets a cohesive tone for the information you'll present, making your data easy on the eyes and visually engaging. Just head to the View tab and either choose from Power BI's built-in themes or import one to match your company's branding. Don't worry if you're not sure which colors to pick yet, you can always change the theme later. Now, let's add an extra touch of design by popping in a shape as another layer of background. This could be a rectangle behind your KPIs or maybe a rounded box to highlight a particular section. It's a simple trick, but it makes the dashboard feel intentional and polished. Adjust the transparency and color so the shapes support your visuals rather than overpowering them. If it doesn't look right at first, just tweak it. Even professional designers experiment as they go. Alright, time for the heart of the dashboard, the KPIs. KPIs, or key performance indicators, are those headline numbers that instantly tell you how things are going. To add one, use the card or KPI visual and place it right up top where everyone can see. Now add data to your KPI by dragging in your actuals measure. Instantly, you have that big, bold figure that shows where things stand today. Pause here for a second, see how quickly the story of your data starts to take shape. Let's add another KPI just so we can compare. This one's going to show our budgeted figures. It's the same process, pop in a card, bring in the budget measure and line it up next to your actuals. Even if the design still feels basic, don't stress. The most important thing is understanding the workflow. You can spend time making it gorgeous later, but getting comfortable with each piece first makes tweaking design much less intimidating. Now to really dig into the numbers, let's add a bar chart. Drag in the bar chart visual and fill it with categories like departments or cost centers, and then the values for actual and budget. This gives you an instant visual comparison across different groups. Maybe one department is way over budget. The bars make that immediately obvious. It's a classic for a reason. To add more variety, let's drop in a pie chart. These are great for showing the proportion of actuals or budgets split by a dimension, like region or product line. Just like before, bring in your data fields and adjust the colors if you like. Sometimes pie charts get a bad rap, but when used sparingly, they make part-to-whole relationships really clear. Next, we'll add a metric. In Power BI, you might use the card visual again to show something like variance or how far actuals are from budget. Calculating and visualizing this helps stakeholders see at a glance if you're on track or need to investigate further. Almost there. Let's round things out by adding a slicer. Slicers let you filter all the visuals on your dashboard by something like month, so users can toggle to any period and instantly see how the actual versus budget numbers change over time. Just add the slicer, pull in your month column, and test it out. This interactivity is what sets dashboards apart from static reports, and that's the full workflow for building your actual versus budget dashboard in Power BI. Remember, these are the building blocks. Once you get comfortable, you can circle back and polish the visuals, update fonts, and perfect the layout to your heart's content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop your questions or dashboard tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Power BI tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.